Today, we will explore the keyword grouping tool on Affpilot. First, navigate to the keyword grouping tool from the main dashboard. To start using the keyword grouping tool, enter the list of keywords you want to group. You can either paste them directly into the input field or import them from a file. Next, click on Create Groups. Once the grouping is complete, you'll see a detailed list of keyword groups. Each group includes keywords that are semantically related, making it easier for you to manage your campaigns. Click on any group to get more insights, such as the keywords, the word count, and the option to generate a post using these keywords directly from here. Once you are satisfied with the grouping, you can export the data. Just click the Export All button, and that's it. You now know how to use Affpilot's keyword grouping tool to streamline your keyword management and enhance your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching.